One night, a kind lady spotted a tiny fox cub running across the road, clearly lost and separated from its mother. She carefully took the frightened cub in, giving it food, warmth, and a safe place to rest. Over time, the fox grew comfortable in her home, playing around, taking baths, and becoming part of her daily life. Years passed, and the lady never gave up hope of finding the cub's mother, who had been searching for her baby all along. Finally, the day came when they reunited the fox with its mother. With a heart full of love, the lady released the grown fox back into the wild, where it could live freely with its family once again.